Hello friends, let us see another example. So what is the given question? An embankment is to be constructed with a granular soil. Bulk unit weight is given as how much? 20 kilonewton per meter cube on a saturated clayey silt deposit. So that means the 100 shear strength is given, assuming 100 general shear and bearing capacity factor 5.7. Students, what we have to find out? That means there is an embankment, and this embankment you have to construct it with a granular soil, right? On a where you have to construct this embankment? This embankment you have to construct it on a saturated clay silt deposit. Understood? That means you are somewhere taking the granular soil and you are constructing on the top of the saturated. What is the value? They are given as the undrained shear strength. If there is given 100 shear strength, that is nothing but a S will be equal to 25 kilopascal. As we are talking about the clay deposit, this I can also say it as angle of friction is equal to 0, I can say cohesion is also equal to 25 kilopascal. As of now, it is fine. So what we have to find? We have to find out the depth of the embankment. So can you identify what could be the depth of the embankment? So we have to construct an embankment in such a way that there should not be any soil failure in the clayey deposit. So the depth of the embankment that is related to the strength of the or capacity of the clayey deposit. So first of all, let us find out what is the strength of the deposit. Are we constructing any foundation so that we have to consider some shape factors? No. So that's why what is your bearing capacity? I can say I can simply say it as a CNC. Why? Because I don't consider D. Why? Because this granular cell is constructed on the top of the surface, and gamma B, gamma and gamma also we won't consider as it is equal to 0 for clay soil. So this value, how much you are getting? C value, we are getting it as a 25. And what about the NC value? NC value is given as 5.7. That is nothing but how much? 25 into 5.7. So this is what the bearing capacity. How can I find out the depth then? So whatever the pressure that is acting on this at this level, that should not be cross this QU. So what will be the pressure that is acting on this layer? If it is having some unit weight gamma, and if it is having some depth D, so what about the pressure? That is nothing but a gamma into D. So whatever the depth of the granular soil, that is nothing but a simply 25 into 5.7 divided by 18. So the answer you will get it is around 7.1 meters. Understood? So until this step, everybody can try. But the thing is that you should know that at the level of the clay deposit, because of the granular soil, what will be the pressure that will act on that layer? Is it because of sulfate or not? Yes, sulfate. Why? Because as there is no external applied forces, we should consider the capacity because of the sulfate only. Right? Thank you.